Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on adding a Jotform form to your website. This allows visitors to submit responses directly to your Jotform account. So first, you will open your Jotform, and once you're here, you will click your form. Then you will go to your forms. Then you will select a form, and then you will just go ahead and click more and click publish form, and just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will click embed, and then you will copy the code, which is right here. Then you will go to your website editor, and then you will just have to paste this code that you've copied, and then you will of course paste it on the in the HTML section, and then just go ahead and save and preview the website and test the form submission. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.